What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here at Motorsports Park tonight, and we're doing a little bit of testing with the shop car. This is a 2017 ZL1 stock cubic inch F1R Pro charger and a little bit of nitrous to help keep the inlet air temps down. Water to air, stock converter, stock transmission, stock rear end, stock axles, stock suspension. So we're going to try a few new things tonight with tuning, so you guys get to ride along with me in the car for a little bit, and then I'm going to give the new guy the camera, and hopefully you can get some footage from outside the car as well. So that pass, you got to ride along in the car. What we're doing right now is we're messing with the transmission tuning, trying to get the car to leave better. So the changes we made worked. Wasn't as fast as we had hoped it would be, but we're going to go back in there and tweak a few more things, and we're going to try it again. Just made another pass. Had a little bit of a stumble on the shift. We think we might have tapped the rev limiter, so when that happens, the throttle blade shuts and I pedal it, get back in it. Still ran a pretty good number, so we're gonna mess around with the trans tune a little bit more, see if we can get this thing to 60 foot just a hair better. That 60 foot was way better than the one before. I'll put the camera on the car this pass, outside the car, so that you guys can see that vantage point. Try it again. Alright guys, it is the next day here back at my house. I forgot to close out the video last night. As you could see from that last pass, we had an issue again, and I kind of want to explain what we're doing with the car. So this is RPM Motorsports shop car. This is our test bed. This is where we throw everything at it to see if it sticks. If it doesn't, then we make changes. So this car has had a few different heads cam packages on it, a few different superchargers on it, a few different nitrous kits on it. Always been stock suspension, stock trans, stock converter. So what we were doing last night was trying things so that we can apply that to customer cars. It would be bad for us to tune a car, send them out to the racetrack, and the car hits the limiter every time it goes to shift. So this is why we try different things. We try shifting earlier, we try shifting later, we try pulling timing in shifts, we try not pulling timing in shifts. So this is kind of what we do with that car. As you can see, last night we had one good hit and two hits that didn't really stick. The car still went relatively quick after I pedaled it. So successful night, we learned a lot. We're gonna make a few more changes and hopefully be back at the racetrack this week. So thank you guys for watching. If you don't already, be sure that you follow me on Instagram, and there's always a link in the description below for high PSI TV merchandise. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.